Hey guys, in this video, we're going to learn how to enter your business details for your Wix AI site. As you can see, we are in the Wix website builder, specifically the Start Chat option of that builder. The Wix AI has already started building our website based on the answers we provided to the first two questions. And as you can see, the third question is what type of services will you be offering on your site? Keep in mind, this step helps your site feel real, so you want to do it right. Here you want to enter your business description, services, and contact information. The more info you give, the better Wix AI can personalize your content. For our example, we're going to input the following: business name, services, contact information, and location. Provide that information in the field below, click the right arrow, and that's it. You have entered the type of services you'll be offering on your website through the Wix AI Builder. Good job, and thank you for watching.